going on, guys? Today we're down at the shop, finally getting started on the Cutlass build. Our goal today is to cut out all the floors. Well, what's left of the floors. George has already gotten started. See how much time we have today. We'd like to set the motor in the engine bay loosely just to see how well it fits and how far we want to push it back. But let's get to this and cut these floors out. Got the front clip off. Got most of the floors cut out. Part of the firewall cut out. Got the computer set up on the plasma table, getting ready to cut out the mid plate. We're gonna see if we can get this motor in here today and get some ideas on what's next.